Note that only options relevant to your motorcycle model will be shown by GS911. Consult the GS911 function chart at this URL for all options relevant to your motorcycle. Note that unless GS911 specifies otherwise, the engine must not be running and the ignition switch must be on during all output tests. The body controller's coding functions section contains options to set the number of accessible power levels for the motorcycle's heated handlebar grips and set the actual power draw for each individual level. Click Body Controller. Click Service Functions. Click Coding Functions. Click Heated Grips. Specify how many grip heating levels you want in the Number of Levels field. The factory default number is 2. You can specify any number between 1 and 6. Click Continue. A number of heating intensity fields that corresponds to the number chosen in the previous step will be shown. Set the actual grip heating intensity for each heating level by entering a desired intensity value out of a possible maximum of 100 in each field. When activated, B&W heated grips traditionally activate at maximum intensity. Thereafter, heat intensity is reduced with each press of the heated grip button. To eliminate confusion, set a progressively higher heat intensity value for each progressively higher number level. To program your settings into the instrumentation display, click Continue. When activating heated grips on a motorcycle with flat panel instrumentation display, the actual heat intensity level is always shown. When activating heated grips on a motorcycle with a semi-analog instrumentation display, only heat intensity levels 1 and 2 are shown. Regardless of this, the body controller cycles through every user-specified heat intensity level. This motorcycle has an X-Combi 50 display, and its heated grips have 4 heat intensity levels. Watch the display as the button is pressed, and the body controller cycles through heat intensity level 4, heat intensity level 3, heat intensity level 2, heat intensity level 1, and off.